Bonjour, bonjour. I almost dropped the camera. Almost fell off my hand. I'm supposed to change my battery for my car. I think I'm gonna buy a new battery tomorrow at Canadian Tire. I already drove my car this morning. I had to start it with the jump start it with my jump starter that I bought from Canadian Tire 2 years ago. Luckily I purchased that 2 years ago as an emergency, just in case. I'm gonna try to start my car now. Let's see here. So it's been stopped for about 4 or 5 hours. Okay. I'm gonna turn it back on tomorrow morning to see, but I already know that I need a new battery. It's pretty much a done deal. I mean, I saw the battery manufacturing date. It said we're in what, 2023? It was manufactured apparently in, I think, September of 2016 or something like that. So that's it. What else? I put the parking brake on. The parking brake is not on as of right now. I felt a slight vibration upon startup, so I don't know what's gone away. It's going from 1,000 revs down to what, 600 revs. It's idling, so now I don't feel that vibration. I'm a bit paranoid when it comes to cars, especially older cars. This one's 13 years old. I bought it 2.5 years ago, so it's been doing well. It's haven't given me any trouble so far. Just the electronic steering lock 2 years ago failed. I had to spend a bit of money on that, and regular maintenance and whatnot. So that's it. Probably tomorrow I'll buy the battery and I'm gonna replace the battery myself. I'm gonna use the jump starter as the life support for the car, so wish me luck. Gonna use a ratchet, 2 different socket sizes, a 13mm and a 10mm, to remove the battery, and that's it. Have the light support on so I don't lose all the programs and the programming for the car, like radio, you know, CD player, CD player, old-fashioned, for the windows, the regulators, all that stuff that's, you know, programmed, that's computer controlled, that can stop working. If you just unplug the battery from the car, you can lose all that, and then, you know, it's not easy retrieving all of that. So that's it. I need to change the light bulb too, I think, and that's it. Well, thank you very much. Have yourself a wonderful day. Put the car, I don't like using that parking brake. It's too much pressure on the brakes. In the back, the rear brakes, too much pressure. So thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day. Maybe I'll film the battery replacement tomorrow. Tomorrow morning I'll go get the battery from Canadian Tire. It's going to be $200. Take care. See you next time. Bye bye.